In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix there was a problem getting you signed in while trying to use Strava Routes. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you're trying to authorize Strava Routes using your Strava app, but you are getting this, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. First, if you are on a web browser, you may want to download the Strava official app through Google Play Store or App Store and see if this works. You also need to try and turn on your location for this to pair. However, if this does not work, then most likely you'll need to troubleshoot your Strava app. To troubleshoot your Strava app, you need to go to settings on your phone, and from settings scroll down to apps. Now under apps, look for this option, manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for the app, tap on it to open. From here, go to force stop app and OK. Then go to clear data and clear cache. OK. Finally, clear all data. Then go to the app permissions. And here, allow these permissions such as camera, as well as nearby devices, and also you want to allow for location. Now once you have granted this permission, you also want to grant permission for physical activities for this to work. Once you have granted the permission, now restart your smartphone and go ahead, try to authorize. If you're authorizing another third-party app, now everything should be able to work. However, if this still fails, then you want to go to Google Play Store or App Store, search for Strava, and update your app to the latest version. One of the reasons you're experiencing this is because you're using an outdated version of Strava app. So once you have updated, now everything should be okay. You should be able to map routes and use your app without any issue. However, if you still have any challenge, check and see if you are using VPN, turn it off to fix this. So let me know which of this was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.